This is a teardown of a E-Matic 4 gig MP4 player. It's physically damaged, so I didn't feel like plugging it in. But I thought it'd be fun to see what's inside. Probably not much. It's kind of funny, they put a serial number on it, but not a model number. Unless that was engraved right here, which I guess could be the case. Kind of a neat little unit for a basically throwaway device. Has a built-in camera that I'm sure is just the most fantastic quality. Oh wow, it had a built-in speaker too. Zoom in a little more. Ouch. Pretty good sized battery in here. Looks like it's soldered directly to the board, which is a shame, but it's not like anybody would be repairing this anyway, so. Looks like there's the main processor. I think that would be the memory, and that looks like flash storage. This also does have the option for expandable storage, whatever a TF card is. The mic's just back of it's glued to a piece of foam. Doesn't even look like the camera's mounted to the board. I'm surprised they even bothered to screw the board down. Surprised they didn't just hot glue that into place too. Oh man. I'm sure it was cheap though. Not a good value, but I'm sure it was cheap. Oh man. Let's see here. Oh, I missed a screw or two. Boy, they really screwed this thing down. 6 screws holding this board down. I think there would have been a way to make this even cheaper. Either injection mold the housing to hold the board down, or have it clip in. Let's see here. Something's holding me up. This screw is binding up on me. There we go. Nothing to see on the front shell, it's just a plastic shell. Looks like this display is just loosely placed here. Oh, maybe a little double-sided tape. I'm pulling off the, I think that's the rear reflective layer maybe? Oh well, it's not necessary. It's a fairly decent double-sided tape there. This just on flat flex that was soldered to the board. Kind of want to pop the camera off. It's kind of cool how they did that. I'm not sure. Well, I guess that'd probably be kind of difficult to do any other way. Well, that's tiny. Pretty compact PCB for such a low value item. I don't imagine this thing went for more than like 50 bucks. Could better zoom in on that. I don't think it's somewhat readable. Use brand name memory, Samsung memory, and then that looks like Micron flash. I don't recognize the CPU. I don't know what that is. Speaker soldered on. There's the display. There was this backing on the back of it, but that came off with the double-sided tape. Looks like a little flux residue on the flat flex. And here's the camera. It's tiny. About the size of my finger. No model numbers or anything. It's just the camera sensor with a ribbon cable coming out of it. And I glued the focus adjustment in place. That's nice. So, yeah, not much to see there. This is all there was to it, but fun to look inside. Thanks for watching.